how not to get robbed by a contractor. And I'm going to share this with you because I personally experienced this in the city of Phoenix. So you have to be real careful when you're dealing with these contractors. And I will say, in my personal opinion, don't take no check from no person unless you just know them 100%. And even then, you need to know them another 100% because the game is real shiesty. And I'm going to say that because this is what I had someone do to me. We had agreed on a contract. It was $8,000 to do this job. Now, I got paid majority of my money. Well, at the end, I was like, well, I'm going to save the rest of the end and just cut me one check, for the rest. No issue. I get cut the check. It's almost $4,000. Go and deposit the check. Tell you what they did. This person took the money out the bank. By the time I make it to my bank to deposit the check, which took me about an hour drive, by the time I make it to the bank to deposit the check, they had already went to their bank, took the money out the bank so that my check bounced. And the lady knew that since I've been here, I never had a check bounce, never had no issue with money. She was like, Joe, something going on. I was like, man, find out, call the bank. She called the bank for me. The bank people told her that, she came in at a so-and-so time, took all money out this account and put it over to that account. She was like, really? She just wrote this dude a check, man. And he was like, that's messed up. He said the only thing, that can be done after talking to, a couple law officials is to put a personal suit on her. So now I got to spend more money to get that money, which I'm going to do. So don't think you're finna get away. But I wanted to say this. You have to be cautious. And you have to be aware that people will try to use you or will use you for their greater good. So my personal opinion, make sure whoever you're dealing with, everything is good. Make sure it's written in stone. So that way you can be able to get your money in a situation like this. Luckily, everything was good on my end, so I just got to take it to court. Which, it cost me, put me in a situation, which is fine. It is what it is. I can get mad, but life goes on. So, I'm not tripping though. So I almost took a $4,000 loss, which is going to be close to that after I finish with this, fees and getting everything done. So, I learned from the situation is, like I say, get everything in writing. Get them, send it in email, which y'all agree to. Email is great. Say, hey, send me an email. Or let me write, sign it in front of you and then fax it to me or email it to me. Or let me keep a hard copy, man, of everything you talk about. And make sure that you're being upfront because some people will try to give you a contract and then add more work on the contract. So keep that in mind too. Hold on.